Hi, my name is Grant, and I've been searching for veneers for the last 2, 3 months, and I found a company called Pop On Veneers, and I seen a lot of good reviews of them or whatever. So I said I might always go and try them, and I ordered them and everything. They sent me an impression kit in. It was real simple doing the molding kit and everything. It was real simple, 1, 2, 3, and I mailed it back out the same day, and I got an email back saying they received them, everything was good. They gonna send the veneers out. So when they sent the veneers out, they came in with a nice little carrying case, the veneers right here, and also came with a molding of your teeth. You also, get some more later on. And you see, I had the gap, I had a problem with the gap or whatever, and this is how you put a snap on real easy. See top, see, and the bottom. No problem. Perfect smile. And veneer, I love them, and I've been telling all my family about you and everything, and I got my confidence back and everything. I got my smile back, like I'm young, and thanks veneer.